everyone, welcome back to ALG Gardening. Today, let's see how to grow Armenian cucumbers in grow bags. Armenian cucumber is a type of long, slender melon that tastes like a cucumber. It is also known as a yard-long cucumber, snake melon, etc. And in Hindi, it is known as kakdi or kakri. These melons can grow up to 30 to 36 inches. This is my first time experience of growing these. So without wasting much time, let's see how I grew these in a grow bag. I'm starting the seeds in a seedling tray. You can also direct sow them. I have rats hanging around in my garden and eating away the seeds and seedlings. Hence I prefer to grow these in seedling trays. You can see that the seeds are very similar to cucumbers and muskmelons. So, one seed per cell. I am using a seed starting mix that is composed of coco peat, vermicompost and vermiculite for sowing the seeds. After sowing the seeds, cover it up with a thin layer of seed starting mix and water thoroughly. The seeds will start to germinate within 3 to 4 days since sowing. I transplanted the seedlings after 1 week. I transplanted it too early as some of the seedlings were bitten and destroyed by rats. Hence, I decided to transplant it early. You can wait for a few more days. I transplanted 3 seedlings into 1 grow bag. One of them was chewed away by the rats. I knew that some of the seedlings will be eaten away by the rats, hence I transplanted 3 of them. After planting, water thoroughly. While watering for the first time, it is recommended to water the container until excess water drains out through the bottom. As cucumbers, these are also climbing vines and requires a trellis or a support to grow. I have trained my plants onto a net support. A very important thing while growing melons and cucumbers is to prune the suckers that arise from the bottom part of the plant. Also, remove the leaves that touch the ground in order to prevent soil-borne diseases. It's very important to remove the suckers from the bottom of the plant as the plants need to focus their nutrition on the main stem rather than wasting their energy on these suckers. It's preferable to count up to the 10th leaf from the bottom and remove all the suckers below it. After 2 months in sowing, you can see many buds are developing from each node. Usually the male buds and flowers start to form earlier than the female flowers. After 71 days since sowing, you can see that many flowers have bloomed and all of these are male flowers. After 75 days since sowing, I noticed the first female flower in my Armenian cucumber plant. If you have pollinators visiting your garden, there is no need to hand pollinate them, otherwise you will have to hand pollinate your flowers. This is a female flower. Female flowers have a small baby fruit beneath it. I am hand pollinating the flower. For that, take a male flower and remove the petals so that the anthers are exposed. Now dust the pollen grains onto the stigma of the female flower. This will help in effective pollination and thereby successful fruit formation. These are the fruits after 4 days since hand pollination. These grow really fast and comes to maturity within 10 days since pollination. You can see 3 Armenian cucumbers hanging from the plant. You can see that the plants are producing more female flowers. At each node you will be noticing a female flower which will in turn produce many Armenian cucumbers. On an average, a single plant can produce up to 10 to 12 Armenian cucumbers. This is the update after 84 days since sowing. The fruits have now grown bigger and the plant is looking healthy with lots of flowers and fruits. The next set of female flowers has started blooming. Be sure to hand pollinate them for successful fruit formation. In order to protect the cucumbers from fruit fly attack, I have covered it with a net cover. You can either cover your fruits like this or use a pheromone trap to keep your fruits safe from fruit flies. You can sometimes see that your plants are infected with powdery mildew, which is a fungal disease. You will see that the leaves have whitish spots here and there. The best solution for this is to spray your plants with 1:3 ratio of milk and water. It's finally the harvest time. The longer Armenian cucumber that you are seeing here has reached up to a size of 21 inches. Along with this one, I harvested the other two also, so that the plant would focus its nutrition in producing more female flowers and in turn more fruits. As I said earlier, it was my first time experience of growing these and I was too excited to harvest and taste them. So this is my first ever harvest of Armenian cucumbers. Then coming to fertilizing and amending the soil. Sometimes you can see that the roots of your plants have grown all over the surface of the soil in search of nutrients. Cucumbers are heavy feeders, hence you should add organic fertilizers like compost, cow dung powder, neem cake powder, groundnut or mustard cake powder, etc. within a gap of every 20 days. You can also amend your soil by adding the same potting mix that you used for transplanting the seedlings. Here I am adding vermicompost along with the potting mix that I used to plant them. Repeat this process after every 20 days so that your plants grow and produce lots of Armenian cucumbers. After adding the fertilizer, water thoroughly. This is the update after adding the fertilizer. Now you can see that the plants have produced lots of new growth and new female flowers are forming. All these female flowers would be converted to fruits. Now let's see a few more Armenian cucumber harvest. These Armenian cucumber plants were very productive and produced so many cucumbers for us. I loved the flavor and the texture of these. I'm surely gonna grow this in the next growing season. Now let me cut open an Armenian cucumber and show you what the inside of it looks like. You can see that the fruits are very young and the seeds are tender too. You should harvest your Armenian cucumbers at this stage when the seeds are very small. It's the perfect time when these cucumbers taste awesome. So this was today's video guys. I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, please share it with your friends and family. And subscribe if not yet subscribed. While subscribing, press the bell icon so that you will never miss any notification whenever I post a new video. See you soon in yet another video. Until then, take care of yourselves and your families. Bye.